Hello guys, in this lesson I will show you how to get Australian scholarship and study for free in Australia. I will guide you how to step by step to get the whole scholarship, eligibility requirements and other necessary information regarding the whole process. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for University of Melbourne. Here is the official website of University of Melbourne. Click Study, International Students, find Fees and Scholarships, choose International Student Scholarships.
Here is the filters, and they are very useful.
You can use Open for Automatic Concentration Scholarships, Open for Applications, Opening Soon and Not Open Yet. And from the study stage, we choose Feature Study. And of course, we're gonna choose International Students here. So we choose Application Status for Automatic Concentration, Study Stage, Feature Study, from Study Type, International Students.
From level of study, if you're trying to apply for a bachelor degree, for instance, choose undergraduate. Otherwise, you choose graduate coursework or graduate research for master's and PhD degrees. One of the best scholarships here is Queen's College Scholarship. Click on it. Here is the Queen's College Scholarship. Both domestic and international students can apply for this scholarship. Here is a summary and benefits of this scholarship. It says there are multiple accommodation fee scholarships available for varying amounts up to 15,000 Australian dollar per annum. For information about the eligibility, selection and application requirements, refer to Queen's College Scholarship. Quantity of this scholarship 100. Click Queen's Scholarship to apply. Melbourne Humanitarian Access Scholarship. This scholarship offered to talented students who are enrolling an undergraduate or graduate degree by coursework or have applied for asylum in Australia. It's the official information about this scholarship. Click on it. The benefits of this scholarship is huge. It provides full fee sponsorship for the full-time duration of the course and living allowance of 5,000 per year paid in a half-year installments of 2,500 for the full-time duration of the course. Here is the eligibility and selection criteria of this scholarship. Then you can find additional information about the terms and conditions of this scholarship. Here is the deadline of this scholarship. If you find this lesson helpful, click like button and subscribe my channel.